In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can design or edit your ID card on the Canva site. So Canva is an excellent platform used for both graphic designing and video editing. It's very beginner-friendly, and you can easily design or edit here. It's really simple to use. Just navigate to the search bar and search for ID card. After that, you'll see there are a variety of templates available for you. There are paid templates as well, and there are also free templates. So you can choose from various types. There are tons of options. Just choose the one you like. I like this one, so let's customize this template. After customizing, you can see I can modify anything I want. This is the front side, and this is the back side. If I want to modify this name, then I can change it like that. If I want to change the image or replace it, then just go to Uploads and upload your file from the computer. After uploading, your image will appear here, and just drag it to the photo you want to replace. In this way, you'll replace your image as well. If you want to change this, it's really simple. Just retype it and you get access. And if you want to add your barcode, you can add a barcode here as well. You can also customize your brand, your company, and everything else. If you want to change the colors of any of these elements, then just go and change it like this. If you see there are different and many pages, then simply apply all changes so it will update all the available elements. After customizing, and once you are fully satisfied with your ID card and ready to export it, just navigate here on the right of and go to Download. And you can download in any format you want. If you want video, JPEG, PDF, any format you like, just download it. So in this way, you can create and design your ID card easily without starting from scratch. Just customize an existing template. If you have any questions or confusions about this video, please comment below. I will respond to those questions. Also, if this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe.